independent assortment. Important third law proposed by Gregor Johann Mendel. In this law, actually this law was proposed after dihybrid graph. First two laws were proposed after monohybrid graph. Okay. Now, in third law of independent assortment, Gregor Johann Mendel stated that when like this, two pairs of factors, when two pairs of factors responsible for different character or two pairs of price. Listen carefully here. Like this, two pairs of factors are remain together. Here, during the gametogenesis process, each pair independently enter into the gamete. Each pair of factors, for example, this pair of factors independently enters into the gamete. This pair. Understanding. Next, another pair also independently enters into the gamete. Like this. Observe carefully. Like this, when two pairs of factors are remain together in a hybrid plant during the gametogenesis, each pair means two pairs are separated and independently assort into the gamete without blending. When we observe the gamete, observe here. Here, a pair, first pair this is, imagine. Okay, this pair of these two factors of this pair are present in all the gametes. Observe this gamete. In this gamete, capital R came from this pair. Next, here capital R came from this pair. Here small r came from this pair of factors. At the same time, when we observe the all gametes, each and every gamete contains the, observe carefully here, each and every gamete contains the factor, at least a factor from the second pair. Observe in this pair, capital Y came from this factor pair. Here small y from this capital Y. Next small y. Means in 100% of gametes, this pair is present. This pair of factors, this pair is also present in 100% of gametes. Means there is no blending. There is no blending of two pairs of factors during the gametogenesis. If they blend together, means two pairs of factors blend together, what will happen? Actually, capital R, capital Y Next to small r, small y. Understanding? Capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y. Only two types of gametes can be produced here. But there is no blending here. That is why four types of gametes are produced. Okay. Yes, this is the law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. Next, another important one, DNA structure. DNA structure, important, another topic. Okay, what? DNA structure. Let us discuss about it. In 1953, two famous scientists, Watson and Crick. James Watson and Francis Crick. Two famous scientists proposed the chemical structure of DNA. They stated that DNA is rather like a spiral staircase. A spiral staircase like this. Observe carefully here. This is staircase here. Means double helix. Double helical shape or double helix model. Double helix model. When we observe this spiral staircase, there are two frameworks, two backbone-like structures like this. These two backbones are enter this framework of staircase. This framework of DNA is made up of the alternate sugar and phosphate. Sugar and phosphate. Due to presence of phosphate, DNA has the negative charge. DNA has negative charge. Next, steps of the spiral staircase of DNA. These steps are on type of chemical bond present between the some nitrogen bases. What? Nitrogen bases. These steps are because of nitrogen bases. How many types of nitrogen bases are present? 4 types. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These are four important nitrogen bases. Okay. When we observe here adenine, always adenine always bonds with the thymine by 2 hydrogen bonds. Next, guanine always bonds with the cytosine by 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay. Now observe sugar, phosphate. Alternate sugar, phosphate groups are present in backbone of the DNA. Like this. This is the backbone. Next, between these two, adenine here, for example, here thymine. Adenine, here thymine. 2 hydrogen bonds. Next, here thymine, here adenine. Here cytosine, here guanine. Cytosine, guanine, 3 hydrogen bonds. Next, here another pair, like this, nitrogen bases are present here. What? Nitrogen bases. Like this. Okay. This is called polynucleotide chain. How many polynucleotide chains are present here? Actually, DNA is made up of 2 polynucleotide chains. This is one, this is another one. These polynucleotide chains are what? Polynucleotide chains are polynucleotide chain. Polynucleotide chain. Observe carefully. What? Polynucleotide chain are made up of this is 2 polynucleotide chain. How many? 2. These are made up of nucleotides. Polynucleotides. Number of nucleotides are present. Nucleotides are made up of sugar plus phosphate plus nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases. How many types of nitrogen bases are present? Actually, two types. There are nitrogen bases are two types. Purines, next to pyrimidine. Purines and pyrimidine. Purines and pyrimidine. Purines are two types. Adenine. Purines are two types. Adenine, guanine. Pyrimidines are two types. Thymine and cytosine. This is in DNA. Whereas in RNA, instead of another type of nitrogen base, that is uracil is present. That is uracil is present only in RNA. Thymine is present in DNA. What is the full form of RNA? Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Are you understanding? Here, nucleotide means sugar, phosphate plus nitrogen base. These three are collectively called as nucleotide. Here, this is a nucleotide. This is another nucleotide. Here, nucleotide. Next, say nucleotide. Okay, here other nucleotide. Like this, number of nucleotides are collectively formed the DNA. Okay, observe carefully. This is a nitrogen base pair. This is a nitrogen base, another nitrogen base. Nitrogen base pair it is. Nitrogen base pair it is. Understanding? Yes. If a small change is occurred in this chain of nucleotides, a small change is occurred. For example, in the place of the adenine, if cytosine is changed here, means in the place of adenine, if cytosine exists here, what will happen? Entire sequence is changed, means chemical nature of DNA can be changed. That is why if a small change is occurred in chemical nature of DNA, number of physical changes will occur in living organism. Those physical changes are called variations. How variations are occurred? Because of changes in the DNA. During the sexual reproduction, like these changes are, means genetic recombination process occurs. Because of genetic recombination, new character, new genetic nature can be formed in DNA. That is why variations are occurred. Understanding? Okay, like this. This is our DNA, structure of DNA. In higher classes, you study clearly the chemical nature of the DNA. Okay, just this is about uh, chemical structure of DNA briefly. Observe. Next, let us do an activity to observe the dihybrid crop and monohybrid crop. First, let us discuss about monohybrid crop. You have to take small paper strips, 4 small paper strips and 4 short paper strips and long paper strips 4. Then you have to draw a square, Punnett square, like this Punnett square. Now you have to place the 2 short and 2 long strips in a bag. Okay, 2 long paper strips, 2 short paper strips in a bag A. Bag A. Okay, for example, here bag A. Next, you have to place the 2 long and 2 short paper strips in another bag. Let us denote it with B. Bag B. Okay, this here bag B. Bag B. Now first you have to take, listen carefully here. First, you have to pick a strip from the bag A and pick another strip from the paper strip from the bag B randomly, not selectively. Okay, randomly you have to pick out from here one. Now you have to place these 2 strips. You have to place these 2 strips at box 1. Box 1. For example, strip picked out from the A, that is long. If strip picked out from the A is long and strip picked out from the B long. Long and long. Now here long and long. Means now in this bag how many strips are present? One long and two short. Here also one long and one short. Okay, now again you have to pick out one strip from each bag A and B. Okay. For example, if strip picked out from the A, that is the short, and picked out from the here, that is the short. That is the short. Now you have to place the two strips in the box. In the box, two. Short and short. Now how many strips are present in two bags? Here one short and one long. Here one short and one long. Now again how to pick out. Now here strip collected from this, that is a long one, and here collected one, that is a short one. Okay, short one. Now long and short. Now here long. There are no long here. Only one short is present. Here no short. Okay, because we collected the two short. Then how to collect two strips from the both bags? Okay, here short and long. Short and long. Short and long. Observe carefully. We can write this short and long and short. Now observe how many combinations produced here. How many combinations formed? Long and long means two long strips, Next, two short, one long and one short. How many here? One, here, two. Means ratio is 1:2:1. One means long and long, two means long and short, one means short and short. Okay, this is important one. Next, you can conduct this activity by taking the buttons, white buttons and red buttons instead of short strips and long strips. Okay, now another one, next one is dihybrid clause. Here also same, you can conduct this. You can conduct here. In dihybrid clause, you have to take the how many? 16. You have to take the 16 short strips and 16 long strips. 16 short strips and 16 long strips. Okay. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Next, you have to take the 8 and 8 here. Here also 8 and 8. Now, you have to draw the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 boxes. Like this, how to draw the box with 16 boxes like this. Here bag A and bag B. Now you have to collect the same. One strip from bag A, next one strip from the bag B. And you have to put the two strips in the box 1. Next again you have to collect the two strips from the two bags and put at the second box. Next you have to collect two and put at the third one. Like this you have to collect and put the two strips from the two bags till listen carefully here, till two bags are empty. Two bags are empty. Then you have to note down the combinations of the all. How many types of combinations? How many types of combinations can you get? How many? Long and long. Next, long and observe carefully here. Long and long. Long and long. Next, long and short. Next, short and long, short and short. Now observe, here you can use the white and red buttons also. White and red button. Now you have to take here 8 short strips, next 8 long strips and 8 white buttons, 8 white buttons or red buttons plus 8 white buttons. Now you have to take the here, observe carefully. You have to take 4 long strips, 4 short strips. Next, in addition this, 4 white buttons, 4 red buttons. Here also same, for this, 4 white buttons, 4 red buttons. 4 white buttons and 4 red buttons. Now we have to pick out. Observe carefully here. You have to pick out one paper strip and one button. Paper strip and a button from the bag A. At the same time, one paper strip and one button from the B. Then you have to place these all components in the first box. Again, you have to collect one button and one paper strip from A and one paper strip and one button from the B. Then you have to place them in all these boxes. All these boxes. Now you can observe now you can observe different combinations. For example, long paper strip, here short paper strip, white button, long paper strip, red button, long paper strip, next one, short paper strip, red button and white button, white button. Next, observe carefully. Short paper strip, white button. Okay, next you can observe short paper strip, short one. Next, red button and white button. Okay, observe carefully. Next, long paper strip, red button and white button. Next, like this, observe combination. Observe this type of combination here. Observe one, different types of combination. You know very well that in dihybrid class also same. What? Different combinations we can observe. Like this, different types of combination. Long, here red, short, white button. Next, one long, one short, one red, one white. Next, two short strips, one red button and a white button. Two long, a red and a white. This type of combinations we can observe. Okay, this is the activity. Next, you can observe a number of combinations like this. If you pick out and put in each and every box, you can write number of combinations. Okay, do this activity by taking like this. Okay, do and write the entire box in your notebook. Next, other activities to observe the variation or similar characters. To observe the similarities in you and your family members, in your mother and father, your sisters and grandfather, grandmother, like this, to observe the relationships or to observe the similarities in you and your family members. Activity. What is the aim of this activity? To observe the similarities or identical characters in you and your family member, in your mother or father, in your brother or sister, or grandfather or grandma. Okay. Now you have to observe the characters, then you have to write the observed characters in this table. In table. Name of the character, next in me, in me, in my mother or father. Next, in my sister or brother. In my grandfather or grandma. Like this, you have to observe the characters, different characters, different types of characters. Means color of the skin, color of the hair, color, next color of the cornea, eye, next length of the forehead, size of the palm, shape of the external ears, shape of the nose, height of the person, thumb impression. Like this, you have to observe different characters. Okay, for example, shape of ear in me and in father me relation. Okay, for example, here is similar, or here is similar, or here is similar. Like this, you have to take. Next, color of the eye means cornea. Here is similar. Like this, you have to mention the characters and present in your family member. Here you can observe a character in you and your grandpa or grandmother. That character can be absent in your mother and father and your sister and brother. How can it possible? How can means it can possible. Okay, actually this type of condition there is chance. There is chance for this type of condition. How can means some characters are present in recessive condition in your mother and father, then they can then they those recessive characters can express their phenotypic character in the next generation. In the next generation. That is why some characters present in your grandma or grandfather, they can be appeared directly in you. Okay. In you. Those characters are absent in your mother and father. Observe carefully. This is important activity. Observe one. Next, let us discuss about another activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? The main aim of this activity is to observe the variations in you or in your friends. To observe the variations in your classmates or in friends. Okay, between your friends. Okay, now you have to observe the different characteristic features in your classmates or friends. Then you have to write the observed characters in a table. Now, name of the friend. Name of the friend. Name of the friend. Two different characters. Color of the skin. Color of the skin. Color of the cornea. Color of the cornea or eye. Thumb impression. Thumb impression. Next to external ear. External ear. Free or attached. Free or attached. External earlobe. External earlobe. External earlobe. Next, length of the forehead. Length of the forehead. Okay. Next, other character. Other characters. Like this, you have to observe the different types of characters in your friends. Different types of friends. For example, Ravi. Color of the skin, white color or black color. Color of the eye, black one. Thumb impression, one type. External ear, for example, free. Length of the forehead, length you have to measure. Next, other characters like this. Next, Rani. Next, Rani, color of the skin, white color. Color of the eye, black. Next, thumb impression on type. Next, these are attached. Next, here another type like this. You have to mention the all characters. Next, you have to compare the characters of one friend with the another characters of other friend. Okay, now you can observe number of differences. These type of differences present in closely related ones are called variations. Variations means differences present in individuals of a species are called variations. Are called variations. Here, thumb impression. Very important. Remember, thumb impression. This is varied from individual to individual. From individual to individual. In each and every individual, it is a unique feature. Iris, thumb impressions, next to structure of DNA or DNA sequence. These three are unique features to each and every individual. Okay. Next, let us discuss about the another activity. Let us discuss about the another activity. What is the aim of this activity? The aim of this activity is to observe the aim of this activity is to observe the variations in plants. Variations in plants. You have to collect the pods of pea plant. Pods of pea plant. Pods means fruit. Pods means fruit. Pods means fruits. Then you have to open the fruits or pods. Next, you have to observe the all pea seeds present in the pod. Okay, and observe the differences present between those. You have to observe the differences among all the seeds present in that pod. Okay, are all seeds similar? No. Are all seeds similar? No. Seeds are different seeds. Okay, are all seeds are not similar. There are number of differences. Size differences, shape differences, color differences, weight differences. Like this, there are number of differences. Why means seeds are developed from, you know very well that seeds are developed from the ovules. All ovules are not similar. That is why seeds are also different. Understanding? There are all seeds similar? No. Seeds are different. Means we can observe the differences. Observe all seeds. Actually, all seeds are present within a pod, but there are number of differences. These type of differences are called variations. These type of differences are called variations. What? Variations. We can observe the variations in plants and animals also. In last activity, we have discussed about the variations in human beings. Variations in human beings. Length of the forehead, thumb impressions, height of the person, color of the skin. Like this, there are number of differences in human beings or in your friends. These type of differences are called variations. Now we have discussed variations in seeds of a same plant, that is the pea plant. That is the pea plant. This is about chapter heredity. This is about chapter heredity.